Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial, we're going to show you how you can add the Google Drive extension to your workspace on Slack. For example, if you'd like to link your account on Slack with your Google Drive really quickly to access your stored files and folders. So let us get started right away. Now, what you want to do is head over to Slack, of course, log into your account via PC or laptop, for example, or a mobile device. Access the workspace you would like to customize here in the top left corner. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply click on that button here below your Slack bot, add apps. And what you want to do in the next step is simply use the search bar at the top to search for Google Drive, or you may already see it as a suggestion below. So simply click on add here. After that, you will be redirected to that page here. So wait till it has finished loading. And after that, simply click on add to Slack here. Wait for another moment, just like that. Give Google Drive the permission to access your account or to be linked with your account on Slack, and press on or click on allow here. Also make sure that you're logged in with the associated Google account. And that's it. Return to your workspace, and after that the Google Drive app will appear under your in that list of supported and installed apps here, so that you may access it, for example, give Google Drive commands, for instance, and so on and so forth. Guys, that's basically it. That's how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.